come decorate a basketball cookie. The basketball was the most satisfying cookie to decorate in this set because you're just putting on this burnt orange base and then you're doing the black lines. And the black lines I was very nervous about doing, but they ended up working out. So it's so satisfying because I cut a very perfect hole on the end of my piping bag. So I had a pretty thick line. You're going to outline your cookie. And since I had a thick hole, I didn't have to go over that outline a few times. Sometimes I'll do 2-3 outlines of a cookie before I fill in the center. And then I went from the center out. So I just give that outline a little bit of time to settle before I put pressure against it with the inside flood of this cookie. And I'm kind of going all the way to the outside edge for this flood, and it looks like it's going to overflow in a couple areas, but that's okay because I'm going to grab my scribe and I'm just going to mix it in. And you can also see some areas where my blue didn't mix in very well. I just didn't do a great job mixing. That's okay. I'm going to use my scribe to mix that into the orange completely as well, so we're not going to have streaks in there. And it's a little hard to see because there's glare because this is fresh icing, but that's why I'm doing this mix kind of in the middle. And then I do my little helicopter laundromat washing machine mix, that's what I like to call it. After that has crusted over, you can see it went from very glossy to semi-glossy. We're going to come in with the black, and you want to start on the side, letting your icing fall out of the piping bag. You can see I'm not touching the cookie at all. We're doing one long curved line and then 2 much more pronounced curved lines on either side of that one. And then you're going to do just one single line across. And I'm letting my icing fall out of the piping bag before I'm kind of lightly touching it to the side. And then that is our basketball cookie. It's part of the sports cookie set. Download the guide below. Try it out. Let me know how it goes.